Hi everyone, my name is Wilson, and my research paper title is called Cancer Prevalence Across Vertebrates. Cancer is a challenge for all multicellular life, but some species are more resistant than others. To understand this, we look at the Peto's paradox, the idea that larger animals should get more cancer because they have more cells, but they don't. This suggests that evolution has shaped natural cancer defenses, and past research has shown that mammals have higher cancer rates while birds and reptiles are more resistant. But the reasons are still unclear, and this study helps explore what factors truly determine the cancer risk across species. This study addresses three key questions. How does cancer prevalence vary across vertebrates? The second is what life history traits influence cancer risk? And finally, are there evolutionary patterns in cancer resistance? Now let's talk about the methods. To study the cancer risk in different species, they examined medical records from 16,049 animals across 292 species collected from 99 zoos and wildlife institutions. They also analyzed animals that had passed away to ensure accurate cancer detections, and the study follows strict ethical guidelines to ensure reliable results. They use statistical and phylogenetic models to study how cancer prevalence evolved across species. They tested whether body mass, lifespan, gestation time, and somatic mutation rates influence cancer risk, and they also conducted DNA damage response assays to see if species with stronger DNA repair mechanisms were more resistant to cancer. Now let's get into the results. The study found that cancer rates vary across species. Mammals have the highest rates, followed by birds and reptiles, and amphibians have the lowest cancer rates. This suggests that some species have evolved better natural defense against cancer than others. One of the strongest findings is that longer gestation times correlate with lower cancer prevalence, even when accounting for body size. Species with longer gestation periods still show lower cancer rates. This suggests that species with longer developmental periods may have evolved better cancer suppression mechanisms. Another key finding is that species with lower somatic mutation rates have lower cancer prevalence, and this supports the idea that soil mutation accumulations helps prevent cancer, reinforcing the role of DNA stability in tumor suppression. And interestingly, the study also found that DNA repair efficiency was not a strong variable of cancer resistance, suggesting that some species may rely on alternative mechanisms. And they also found that cancer isn't just a disease of old age in many species. Birds and reptiles develop tumors at all ages, not just in old individuals. This finding shows that body size alone does not fully explain cancer resistance. Instead, factors like gestation time and somatic mutation rates play an important role. And we know that some species have evolved natural cancer suppression mechanisms, while others don't. And by studying species with low cancer rates, we may uncover new strategies for cancer prevention, not just for animals but also for humans. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.